In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use high contrast colors in Excel. If your spreadsheets ever feel hard to read, high contrast colors can make your data pop, improve accessibility, and reduce eye strain. This is especially helpful for presentations, dashboards, and printouts where every value needs to stand out clearly. Start by selecting the cell you want to format. Click directly on the cell so it's highlighted. If you need the same look across a range, you can drag to include neighboring cells or use your usual selection shortcuts. The key is to make sure the area you want to change is selected before you apply any color. Now open the Fill options. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon and look for the Fill Color icon. It's the little paint bucket. Click it to open the color menu. If your window is narrow and you don't see the icon right away, expand the Excel window or look for the Styles and Font area where formatting tools are grouped. The Fill menu is where background colors live. Within that color menu, turn on the High Contrast setting. When you enable High Contrast, Excel focuses the palette on combinations designed to maximize visibility, so light text is placed on dark backgrounds and dark text on light backgrounds. This helps prevent common readability issues, like pale text on a pale fill. You'll usually see a live preview as you hover, which makes it easy to compare options before you commit. With high contrast enabled, choose a color that suits your content. If you're highlighting headers, go for a bold shade that separates titles from the numbers below. For important totals, pick a background that draws attention without overpowering the sheet. As you hover over each swatch, glance at the text in your selected cells. If the characters remain crisp and legible at a quick glance, you've found a good match. If they look muddy or faint, try a different high contrast option until the text clearly stands out. A few quick tips as you choose. Keep your palette consistent across the workbook to make scanning easier. Avoid relying on color alone to communicate meaning by pairing fill colors with labels or symbols. And if you share files widely, favor color combinations that remain readable for viewers using different display settings or print modes. When in doubt, preview your sheet on a second screen, or in Print Preview to confirm that everything remains sharp. And that's it. Select the cell, open Fill, turn on High Contrast, and pick a color. Your data should now be clearer, cleaner, and easier for everyone to read.